Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have or find a Minolta 110 Zoom SLR with a sticky shutter, don't throw it away. There may be a simple fix for this issue. I recently purchased this Minolta 110 Zoom SLR and found that it had a sticky shutter. The symptoms were when I would depress the shutter and it would get stuck, and the way to get it unstuck was to press the shutter button multiple times or wind the camera. And this would happen whether the camera was in bulb, flash, or aperture priority mode. Over time, if these cameras are not used, the lubricants will harden and cause the shutter button or mechanisms within the camera to stick. One way of getting these to loosen up is to repeatedly use the shutter button and the winding mechanism. I found that by doing this, the problem seemed to go away after about 50 or 60 times of hitting the shutter button and winding the camera. I'm sharing this fix with you in hopes of helping you fix your camera and keeping these out of the landfill. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've run into this issue. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.